welcome back for another update. I'm looking at my asparagus at the moment, and this is its first year of growth, as you can see. Seems to be going pretty well in the blue barrel. So hopefully next year I should be able to start getting a little crop off it, and the following year getting a bigger crop. Yeah, it's just a normal blue barrel, and it's got holes drilled in the bottom, and the soil is a vegetable potting mix from the hardware. So it's not doing too bad, I don't think. Seems to be going pretty well. So yes, you can grow asparagus in a blue barrel if you want to try. Okay, we'll go over and have a look at my hydroponics that I will be upgrading and changing and doing a lot to this year. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, and I hope you have a happy new year. So let's have a look and see what's going on. So the capsicum has decided that everything's going well and to take off and grow faster, as you can see. There's lots more flowers coming on it. So it's looking good. The capsicums are starting to get red. Nice red capsicum there. Still got a lot more fruit growing on it. More fruit around this side. So yeah, capsicum's growing really well, and we're quite happy with that. The flowers on it. So it's looking good. Now the cucumbers have shot again and are growing quite well. They just got hammered with the 45-degree heat, and then on the same day we get rain. So they really got hammered, but they seem to be coming back nicely. So capsicum seems to be going really well. Decided to take off and grow again. A lot more flowers on it, as you can see. It's looking really good. Fruit's going well. Got a nice red capsicum coming on. Really looking good. More fruit there. Seems to be very healthy. More fruit around this side. Seems to be going really well. I'll show you the fruit. So let's have a look at the fruit. And there we have it. Looking really good and healthy. Won't be long and I'll have to trim them again just to get rid of them from the overflow pipe. But as you can see, capsicum is growing quite nicely. Now the cucumber has decided to take off again after being hammered with 45-degree heat and rain on the same day. It just absolutely threw it into turmoil. Got a lot of downy mildew on it. but flowers are coming back nicely. Getting some nice, good growth on the leaves. So yeah, we should get another crop, hopefully. A nice cucumber there again. So if you look in my last video update, you'll see how many cucumbers I've actually got off it, and the weights and stuff. All the young ones up there. But yeah, it's going alright. Got a really weird one down here. Seems to have gone a bit crazy. But that's the way it goes. Lettuce, well, just got absolutely hammered too much. It's going to seed. So I'm just letting it go to seed. I'm sort of concerned about that. But nice and healthy, big. Can't complain about the growth in it. But I'll let it go to seed and collect the seed off it. Tomatoes are finished. I've just picked the last lot, and the weights and what I've got will be at the end of the video for you to have a look. So all that will be coming out and replanted. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to join all these buckets together and have a reservoir at the end, so it's a lot easier to keep an eye on what's going on. But yeah, that's about it for the update on what's happening with this. Everything's growing successfully. I'm quite pleased with the capsicum plant. He's just, yeah, growing really, really well. So, yeah. Now, this year what I'm going to do is I'm going to venture into aquaponics as well. And I'm going to grow some fish alongside growing plants. So I've just bought myself a 1,000 litre water tank, and I've got some blue barrels and another reservoir tank, and I'm going to set up a aquaponics experiment to see if I can grow with aquaponics for the first time. See how that goes. So I'll leave it at that for today, folks, and I hope you're having a very nice day, and I shall catch you next video. I shall catch you later. Okay folks, welcome back. I weighed in the tomatoes at 2 kilos. That's another 2 kilos of tomatoes, which brings it up to 7 kilos of tomatoes, which is 15.5 pounds of tomatoes. So that's not too bad for my first go at hydroponic tomatoes. I'm quite happy with that. I can increase it next planting, but they look pretty good. They're a cherry tomato, so I'm quite happy with that. Okay folks, have a nice day and we'll catch you later.